Lab 2, lots of memory work, but you learned the alphabet quite a while back, and A comes before C, C comes after B. This needs to be second nature, just like that. 1,000 meters in this many kilometers, 100 centimeters in this many meters, 10 millimeters in what? 1,000 millimeters in what? 1,000 milliliters in this unit. 1 centimeter cubed defines this, and 1 cc defines this. This might be a unit you would use for measuring the volume of a piece of wood, whereas this one might be the way you would term a liquid, or this one right here maybe. How many grams in a kilogram? And how many milligrams in a gram?